Have you ever felt that no matter how much you try to save, your paycheck just seems to slip right through your fingers? Imagine if, instead of watching your hard-earned cash disappear, you could set up an easy, automatic system to keep costs low and build your savings without constant effort. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful money-saving hacks that anyone can follow, no matter your financial situation or goals. From the budgeting basics to saving on everyday purchases, these strategies will transform how you manage your money and make saving feel like second nature. Let's dive in and discover the secrets to ending each month with more cash in your pocket. Create a budget that works for you. Budgeting is the foundation of financial stability. But the trick isn't just setting limits, it's about crafting a budget that genuinely fits your lifestyle and goals. Start by tracking every dollar you earn and spend for one full month. Note down every expense, from the morning coffee to recurring bills. This initial step gives you a crystal clear view of where your money actually goes and often reveals surprising areas where you can cut back. Next, choose a budgeting method that suits you. Popular options include the 50/30/20 rule, where 50% of your income goes toward needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings, or the zero-based budget, which allocates every dollar to a specific purpose. Use budgeting apps that automatically categorize expenses and alert you when you're nearing your limits, keeping everything in one easy-to-read place. Remember, a good budget doesn't restrict you, it gives you control over your finances, helping you prioritize your spending and avoid unnecessary debt. Think of budgeting as a habit that grows with time and ultimately helps you reach financial freedom. Automate your savings. One of the biggest challenges of saving is the discipline it requires, which is why automation is a game changer. By setting up an automatic transfer, you ensure that a portion of your income is directed into your savings or investment accounts as soon as your paycheck hits your bank. This could be as little as $20 or as much as you can comfortably afford, but the key is consistency. Over time, that small weekly or monthly transfer grows into a significant sum without you even having to think about it. Many banks offer tools to set up automatic transfers on specific days each month, and some even have options to round up purchases and save the change. Additionally, there are apps specifically designed to automate savings by tracking your spending patterns and transferring small amounts when it detects that you can afford it. Imagine how reassuring it'll feel to see your savings balance increase effortlessly each month, all while you go about your daily life. With automated savings, you're paying your future self first, building financial security one automatic transfer at a time. Comparison shop and use cashback apps. Why pay more when you can find better deals with a bit of research? Comparison shopping has become much easier thanks to online tools and apps that instantly show the best prices for virtually anything you're looking to buy. Whether you're shopping for groceries, booking travel, or buying big-ticket items, websites and browser extensions like Honey or Rakuten automatically compare prices across platforms to ensure you get the lowest possible rate. Cashback apps go a step further by rewarding you with a small percentage back on qualifying purchases, turning regular shopping into an opportunity to save. Many cashback programs also offer special promotions with select retailers, giving you bonus rewards for certain purchases. Think of these savings as a hidden budget. Every dollar saved or earned back counts toward your financial goals. Before every purchase, a quick price check can be all it takes to save significantly over time. Cut back on unnecessary subscriptions. In today's subscription-based world, it's easy to forget how many services you're actually paying for monthly. Streaming services, gym memberships, software tools, monthly apps, the list goes on. Take a close look at your bank statements to see which ones you're actively using and which ones are slipping under the radar. Most of us have at least a few subscriptions that we hardly use but continue paying for. Once you've identified the subscriptions you can do without, cancel or downgrade them. If there are services you genuinely enjoy, look for family plans, shared subscriptions, or annual payment options, as these often come with a discount. Additionally, rotating subscriptions, signing up for one service at a time rather than multiple, can also help you save without sacrificing entertainment. Every subscription you cancel or reduce in cost is extra cash that you can put toward other financial priorities, and you might find you don't miss them as much as you thought. Embrace DIY and thrift shopping. Why pay full price when you can find quality items secondhand or make things yourself? Thrift shopping and DIY projects are not just about saving money, they're about getting high-quality, unique items that often have more character than what you'd find in big-box stores. Thrift stores are packed with clothes, furniture, home decor, and more, all at a fraction of their retail prices. Upcycling, turning old items into something new, is a great way to add a personal touch to your home or wardrobe, and there are endless tutorials online to inspire you. Plus, making things yourself instead of buying new can be surprisingly fulfilling. Whether you're repainting a piece of furniture, sewing your own clothes, or crafting your home decor, these projects allow you to spend thoughtfully while also exercising creativity. Embracing the DIY and thrift culture is not just about saving, it's a lifestyle choice that supports sustainability and lets you invest in quality over convenience. Saving money doesn't have to feel overwhelming or like you're constantly sacrificing. It's about making smarter financial decisions and creating habits that align with your goals. When you design a budget tailored to your priorities and lifestyle, you gain control over your finances, empowering yourself to spend with confidence and purpose. This isn't about cutting back, it's about taking charge and feeling secure in where your money goes. Automating your savings takes the guesswork out of building financial stability. By setting aside a consistent amount each month, you create a system that allows your savings to grow effortlessly. Imagine looking back in a year and seeing how small, consistent contributions have built a safety net for your future. By combining these simple hacks, budgeting, automating savings, comparison shopping, trimming unnecessary costs, and embracing thrifty habits, you're building a lifestyle that lets you enjoy the present while planning for a secure future. Start small. Choose one tip today, and watch as your confidence in managing your finances grows. Each step you take is progress toward the freedom to focus on what truly matters, your passions, your dreams, and the people you care about most. Financial freedom is a journey, and every effort you make brings you closer to living the life you've always wanted. Saving money doesn't have to be stressful or restrictive. With just a few changes, setting a budget that reflects your goals, automating your savings to make it easier, comparison shopping and using cashback apps, cutting back on subscriptions, and embracing thrift and DIY options, you can make a big difference in your finances without sacrificing the things you love. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more ways to take control of your finances, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and lets us know you want more content like this. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more practical advice, money-saving hacks, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom.